Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing a super cute chibi version of Kazuha from Sserafim together with her adorable mascot Zuharong. Get your pencils and colors ready. It's going to be fun and full of personality. And remember, if any moment feels tricky, feel free to pause the video and take your time, okay? Let's get started. Start with big chibi eyes, rounded and expressive. Give them a gentle curve and thick upper lashes to capture Kazuha's sweet charm. Kazuha trained for many years as a classical ballet dancer before debuting as an idol. That's why her posture and movement are so elegant. She was born on August 9, 2003 in Kochi, Japan. She spent most of her childhood in Osaka, living there from ages 2 to 16. She is reportedly the only child in her family, according to fan profiles. Her training period before debut was one of the shortest among the members, showing how strong her technique and natural talent already were. Her transition from classical ballet to K-pop created a unique blend of elegance and modern energy, making her stand out in performances. The name Rseraphim is an anagram of I'm fearless, representing confidence and self-empowerment. Draw a tiny inverted V nose, subtle, simple, perfect for cartoon faces. Add a happy open smile, mouth open and lively, matching the joyful energy of our chibi Kazuha. Sketch a cute little ear and add her earrings and piercings for that signature style. Outline a big, round chibi head, proportionally larger than the body. That's key to the chibi look. Draw her wavy black hair, reaching about the middle of her torso. Later, when coloring, we'll add blue highlights for a modern cartoon vibe. Kazuha was officially revealed as a Sserafim member and made her debut on May 2, 2022. Fans affectionately call her by nicknames such as Ha-chan, Zuha, and Swan. She speaks Japanese and, according to publicly available profiles, is also fluent in English, which helps her connect with international fans. Her background includes training in classical ballet schools, both in Japan and abroad, giving her clean lines, graceful posture, and strong stage presence. Sketch her delicate but slightly athletic chibi torso. Remember that Kazuha has a dancer's physique, so a hint of tone is good, but keep it soft and stylized. Draw her blue and white crop top, simple and clean, a nice base for her stage outfit. If you're enjoying this cute chibi drawing, don't forget to check out my other videos here on the channel. And good news, we're building a whole Sserafim playlist, so make sure to click the card above to explore more videos. Do you like other K-pop idols? Tell me which one you'd like to see transformed into a cartoon next. Add the red jumpsuit pants tied around the waist, with the upper part hanging loose, giving that street-style, cool attitude. Draw her short chibi legs, cute and proportional to her body, but still keeping some elegance. And remember, if you ever get stuck or things move too fast, just pause the video, take your time, and keep going. Drawing is all about having fun. Add her short boots, with the tops slightly hidden by the jumpsuit legs. Modern, practical, stylish. Sketch the left arm, short and cute, with the hand open and relaxed near the hip. Then the right arm raised, ending in a small closed fist with the pinky slightly lifted. A fun pose, just like in a dance routine. For finishing touches, I first used black line art, but then switched to dark blue lines to harmonize with the overall palette. You can do the same if you like a softer final look. Zuharong is inspired by a Samoyed, a dog breed famous for its smiling face, fluffy white fur, and super friendly personality. Sserafim's fandom immediately connected this cute mascot with Kazuha's calm, bright energy. Let's draw Zuharong's head. Big and fluffy, cute little ears, and happy face. Perfect for Chibi style. His name, Zuharong, comes from a mix of Zuha, Kazuha's nickname, plus Rong, a Korean-style ending often used in cute mascot names. He represents warmth, positivity, and the playful spirit of the Film Club mascot lineup. Sketch Zuharong's body and arms, small, round, waving one paw up and the other down, as if he's celebrating with Kazuha. Add Zuharong's legs and details, keeping them simple and cute. A cheerful little mascot ready to dance along with Kazuha. Now the color palette: soft skin tone, black hair with blue highlights, blue-white top, red pants, blue boots. But feel free to be creative and use your own colors. And here's our Kazuha and her adorable mascot Zuharong. Tiny, stylish, expressive, and full of chibi charm. I hope this tutorial has inspired you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.